Hello and welcome to the system here at Frequency Consulting Group. Let me go ahead and show you some basic things that you can do to save you a lot of time. So this is a drag and drop system and you can edit freely the pages, as you want. So like I said, this is a drag and drop. Let's say you can go ahead and drag this button and position it here wherever you want. So as you see the line, the cursor will show you exactly where you're going to drop it. So you can just drag and drop and that is it. So you can just push the elements around the website as you wish. If you want to, let's say, add some space to the elements here in between, you just grab the little handles and you will see the pixels in between the spacing. So it's really fun and easy to do. So you can go ahead and edit that. What if you want to put some more spacing on the side for the whole row? You just go ahead and grab the handles for the columns and create more space on the sides as you wish. Everything you'll see on percentages. So you'll be able to see exactly how it's gonna look. Everything is positioned in columns, so you can adjust the content in columns easily while using the navigation up there on top. So like right here, we have everything in 3 columns. One for the background, one for this column right here, like spacing, dividing, and one column which is for the whole content right here to the right of the site, of the page, You can use the little handles, like I'm showing you right here, to make the pictures bigger or smaller, or easily make the content look wider, thicker, larger, as you wish. Now, if you want to add, for example, a new section here between, let's say, this hero section and this services right here section, you can just add block right here, click on add block. Then you'll see tons of different designs that you can add to your website in that specific position. Let's say by looking at the categories, we can go ahead and select text, and you can select the one that you like the most and then add it, and voila, right here you'll have it added into your page, and you don't have to build it yourself. Of course, if you want to add, let's say, another text here below this headline right here, you can just click on the plus button right here, which will open all the different single elements that you can add to the page. How do you do it? Just by dragging the element, and again, the line will indicate where exactly that specific element will go. In this case, we want to put it here. So just drag, drop, and you'll have it onto the page. And you can start editing. Every element itself, you can go ahead and click on it and start editing. So the buttons will have their own controls. The text has its own controls. And every different element has its own controls. So you can just double click and start editing the first control section. But keep in mind, if you want to go ahead and do styling, you can just click on the little styling pen, brush, look at the padding, borders radius, border size, and you'll see it change live on the page. So this way, you can easily modify all the designs and everything happening on your page. Very easy. And when you're ready, you can just go ahead and save the changes and everything will take place. Everything that you have done will go ahead and be saved. If you exit, everything will be discarded. So make sure you hit save every time. Now, there's a lot of different settings, such as block settings, so you can modify the background of this image, for example, and change it for something else. The rows and the columns, they have their own settings, like right here, column, and you can change the different designs about the columns, so you can look around and create the most amazing pages or slightly modify the template for your own taste. You decide what you want to do. There's other things you want to do, or you could do like pages right here. If you want to add more pages, whatever you wish to do right here in the template, you can add different elements. Like I've already showed you, you can click on global styling to add more fonts, more colors, add your color palette. If you want to change them, you can just pick them, select them. You can use the code as well if you have the codes. You could go ahead and just use the proper colors for your website. Now you'll see the layout right here. If you want to make it more, let's say, stretched or narrow, you can select it from here. Now, lastly, we have the funnels. If you're building a funnel yourself, you can access all the funnels, and you'll have a great video also that we'll go ahead and have you be able to play so you can educate yourself as well. The website settings, if you're going to be connecting domains, adding some custom codes, SEO, file manager, and all the other applications right here and personalizations like the favicon, social sharing, you can go ahead and edit it from your website settings. Everything is fully editable. in your website settings. And well, in a nutshell, I mean, this is it. Of course, there's a lot to look at. We'll have more videos coming your way. But here you'll have your CRM, your contacts, your store, and everything in your back office. Everything is very, very easily. Any coding skills are not necessary. You can just go ahead and drag and drop. A little kid can do it without any back knowledge on coding skills. Like I said, if you have any questions, we're here for you. If you have more or if you want to know more about the system, we'll be here for you. Just go ahead and contact us. And thanks for your time. Now, again, this is Gary. Bye for now.